Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so you're gonna read
ladies
this
and
story,
gentlemen,
and there's
we're
we will
going
read the
to
story
read the
about
story,
the birthday party.
the birthday party,
This means you can
friends.
listen. Here we
Don't
go.
forget to subscribe Terso's Creation Blog, guys. The title, The Birthday Party. It was Linda's 7th birthday. She knew it was her birthday. But what she didn't know was that her mother had planned a party for her at home. She also did not know that her mother had invited her friends and classmates to come over. After class that afternoon, Linda had the surprise of her life. She found their home gaily decorated with fresh new curtains and big plastic flowers. There were colorful balloons and a birthday cake. A few minutes later, her classmates and friends knocked at their door and came in singing loudly. Then they had parlor games. After a few games, Linda and her mother served their visitors ice cream, cake, cookies, and pancit. Number 1 question. How many candles do you think were put on Linda's birthday cake? A. 5, B. 7, C. 9. What's the correct answer? Number 2. What were Linda's classmates singing when they arrived? A. Christmas song, B. Happy birthday song, letter C. Valentine song. The number 3 question, last number. How do you think did Linda feel on her birthday? A. Happy, B. Worried, C. Sad. So the short story, friends, about Linda, my friends. Thank you very much. Hoping you can subscribe to Terso's Creation Blog, the short story that we read. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.